So, this is the second part of the tutorial. This will teach you how to build binary to 7 segment. So currently, our problem is we have decimal to 7 segment. That's great, but if you remember, we're working with binary numbers, so that won't cut it. We need to find a way to convert directly from binary to 7 segment. Well, it turns out that the easiest way to do that is to go through an intermediate layer of decimal. Well, luckily for you, the previous video, which you may have watched, shows you how to make a decimal to 7 segment display. I have the results from that last video here, along with these lines right here. So, what we're going to do is we're going to create a binary to decimal decoder. Now, we're going to build it right on top of our previous decoder, like so. This is actually the binary to decimal decoder already in place. This is the zeros bit, and notice how this maps to 1 and 3. Both of them have 1 in their output, and so on. So, what you do when you make this, you say, okay, you look at each row, you say, okay, 1 has just 1, nothing else. Now, you do the same for 2, 3, 4. Now notice that we actually have 6 when we only have 3 bits of input. The reason why is because we actually need the inversions too. We need to know not just what bits are on, but what bits are off. And that's what this will allow us to do. So, now we need to actually build a bus to get our current to these rows. So, I'm going to build the bus over them. Notice that a bus, in this case, is actually going to be a decoder. It's just going to be the identity decoder. It maps everything to itself. We're going to invert here, because this is where we switch to which ones are off. Four goes to 4. Yeah, 4 goes to 4, 2 goes to 2, 1 goes to 1. Same deal over here. 4 to 4, 2 to 2, 1 to 1. Great, we can do a sample right now. Let's turn 1 on. Whoops. Turns on. This guy is still on because these 2 are off. Right. Yeah, forgot. It's actually inverted. The default state is on, and it actually turns off when it's turned on. Okay, now we're in the proper 0 position. Now, let's turn 1 on. Yep, 1's on. Great, let's do 2. 2. 4. That's a 4. And 3. And that's a 3. So here you see how we built a binary to 7 segment display very compactly by using invertible space. Okay, we're going to take this down just to show you a decent way of getting it out. Okay, and it's really easy to get these to where they need to be, because now you just have straight line. Turn 1 on, you get 1, etc., etc., etc. Okay, great. So, this is the complete binary to 7 segment decoder.